Today we're talking about something that's gonna blow your mind. Are you ready to take your YouTube game to the next level? Then listen up, because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to start a YouTube channel using AI tools in 2023. Now, I know what you're thinking, AI? Isn't that just for tech geeks and sci-fi movies? But trust me, with the amazing tools available in 2023, it's easier than ever to use artificial intelligence to grow your channel and create awesome content that your viewers will love. Don't forget, all the AI tools mentioned in this video are linked in the description below. So be sure to check them out and start creating awesome videos with the power of AI. First, let's talk about why AI is such a game changer for YouTube creators. With AI, you can analyze data to understand your audience better and create more targeted content. Create custom thumbnails and titles that are more likely to attract clicks. Automate video editing and save time on post-production. Use voice recognition and transcription to create closed captions and reach a wider audience. And so much more! But I know what you're thinking, that all sounds great. But how do I actually get started with AI tools? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are a few simple steps to help you incorporate AI into your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Step 1. Find your YouTube niche using Vid IQ tool. The first step to starting a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche. And with Vid IQ, it's easier than ever. This tool allows you to research the most popular niches on YouTube, as well as track the performance of your competitors' channels. You can also use VIDIQ to find keywords that are relevant to your niche, and even get recommendations for tags and titles that will help your videos rank higher in search results. And the best part? For a limited time only, you can get a 35% discount on VIDIQ. That's right, 35% off the ultimate YouTube video optimization tool. But don't wait, this offer won't last forever. Step 2. Write your YouTube script using Chat GPT. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start writing your script. And what better way to do it than with Chat GPT? This AI-powered writing tool can help you generate ideas, refine your writing, and even suggest alternative phrasing to make your script more engaging. With Chat GPT, you can save time and effort in crafting your video script, allowing you to focus on creating quality content. Step 3. Convert your script into real human-like voiceover using AI voice generator tools. After writing your script, the next step is to convert it into a real human-like voiceover using AI voice generator tools. There are several tools available on the market, such as Murf.ai, Descript, and Play.ht, that can help you generate high-quality voiceovers in minutes. Using AI voice generator tools is a great way to save time and effort on recording your voiceovers. These tools use advanced text-to-speech technology that can create a natural-sounding voiceover that's almost indistinguishable from a real human voice. To use these tools, you'll first need to upload your script and then select a voice type and language. Once you've made your selections, the tool will generate a voiceover that you can then use in your video. You can also customize the tone and pace of the voiceover to fit the style of your video. Step 4. Edit your video using AI text-to-video tools. Once you have your script and voiceover ready, the next step is to edit your video using AI text-to-video tools. These tools, such as Pictory AI and VIDIQ, can help you create engaging videos using your script and voiceover. AI text-to-video tools work by converting your script into a video format, complete with animations, images, and music. These tools offer a range of templates and customization options that allow you to create professional-looking videos in no time. To use these tools, simply upload your voiceover and script and then select a template that fits your video. You can then customize the text, images, and animations to match your video content. AI text-to-video tools can help you create stunning videos that capture the attention of viewers and help your channel grow. And for a limited time, as a special offer to our valued customers, use the discount code that's given in the description below to receive a 20% discount on your first purchase of Pictory AI and VIDIQ. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Pictory AI or VIDIQ today and experience the power of AI-driven video editing for yourself. The link is in the description below. Step 5. Do keyword research for your video using Vid IQ YouTube SEO tool. Finally, before you upload your video, it's important to do keyword research to ensure that your video reaches its maximum potential. With VIDIQ's YouTube SEO tool, you can research the most relevant keywords for your video, and even get recommendations for tags and titles that will help your video rank higher in search results. This will help your video reach a wider audience and grow your channel even faster. Step 6. Make a thumbnail using CANVA. One more important step that can help your video stand out from the rest is to create a compelling thumbnail. A thumbnail is the first thing viewers see when browsing through videos on YouTube, and it can make or break their decision to click and watch your video. CANVA is a great tool to create custom thumbnails that can capture the attention of viewers and entice them to watch your video. With CANVA, you can choose from a variety of templates and add text, graphics, and images to create a thumbnail that's visually appealing and relevant to your video content. To create a thumbnail using CANVA, simply sign up for a free account, choose the thumbnail template that best fits your video, and then customize it with your own text, images, and graphics. CANVA makes it easy to create a professional-looking thumbnail, even if you have no design experience. With these amazing tools at your fingertips, there's no limit to what you can achieve as a YouTube creator. So, that's it for today's video on how to start a YouTube channel using AI tools in 2023. I hope you found this video informative and helpful in your journey toward becoming a successful YouTuber. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. And as always, keep creating and innovating with the power of AI.